Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. Hey, what's good with y'all, man? Hey, for the ones who know, the ones who've been on this channel for a little bit, y'all gotta do the intro with me. Come on, man. Y'all already know what we finna do. It's MET. XRO. What's good with y'all, man? It's Metro. You feel me? This is Metro live affecting the full flesh, bro. To say the least, bro, the last three months been crazy, bro. And hey, bro, I don't know. I don't know, bro. The last 3 months have just been crazy. That's all I can say. I'm just trying to get back on my YouTube shit consistently. Trying to get y'all some videos, you know, get y'all some videos back in the mix and shit, you feel me? Just shit like that. So, trying to get back to that point where I was dropping like two, maybe at the most 3 videos a week. So, hey, man, but like I said, bro, you know what I'm saying? We finna just get straight into this video. I'm gonna just get straight to the point, you know. We just gonna chop it up for about like 10 minutes. I got the NBA game on, so excuse me, stupid ass. But nah, we finna just chill. So I'm saying I'm gonna just relax, enjoy the rest of my night, you know, upload this the next day. So, first thing first, if y'all ain't following me on Instagram, make sure y'all click the list here. Fuck, I'm already stuttering. Click the link in the description down below and follow me on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? I'll follow back. Just let me know you from YouTube. Boom. You locked in, twin. You feel me? So, first things first, bro. I'm just grateful, bro. Like, real shit, I'm grateful. Like, first thing first, I always gotta give a thanks out to God. Like, real talk. I know a lot of people don't really mention God or, you know, but all that other stuff. And hey, that's them. Like I said, I don't judge people if they don't mention God. You never know what they do off the cameras. They might be the most religious person behind the camera, but you never know. So, but I'm gonna come up on the camera and say, all I can do is thank God. Like, when I was asking him, like, when I was working at Amazon, bro, I tell you, I was probably at the lowest point of my life. Like, mentally, I wouldn't say, like, you know, money-wise or, you know, all that other shit. It was just mentally, bro. Like I felt like during that time period, like, my trading wasn't good, bro. And I only say that it wasn't good because I didn't have the proper time to be on the charts and be on the charts at the time I wanted to and execute the trades that I wanted to at that specific time. So if I would trade, I either get in late or get in too early, and, you know, my move will happen while I'm either on the way to work or I'm at work. Because like I said, I start working 8:30 a.m. in the morning, and I wouldn't really get off until like 8:30, 8:20 most times, and then get home till like 9:20, 9:30, and just be tired. Like, I didn't want to do shit, bro. I didn't want to edit. Sometimes I didn't even want to eat, bro. Like, sometimes I would literally stop at the gas station right next to the Amazon warehouse and just give me like 2 slices of pizza from Casey's and just come to the crib, bro, and just go to sleep. You feel me? But hey, man, at that job, I'm gonna put a clip in right here. Just, it was like one of my last videos. I think it was the last video I took at that job. Just basically just speaking to my future self and just like, hey, bro, you gonna make it, you know, shit like that. So I'm gonna just let y'all see, then, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna cut back into talking. So, boom.
Hey, man, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Y'all can hear me right now. But I don't even know what date it is. It's almost end of October, bro. I'm just making a note to myself. Bro, once you really make it out this shit, bro, just look at this fucking video. Cause right now, a nigga is stressed, tired as fuck, working 12-hour shifts. Now I gotta go back home, go edit some videos, edit some clips. Fuck, man. This is not the move, bro. But hey, bro, somebody gotta do it. Just know one day, bitch, when you see this video, you done made it, making 500, 1,000 a day. Hey, bro, you did that shit, bro. Good shit, bro. You thanking me now, you feel me? I'm locked locking in for you, bro.
And now y'all seen the video. So yeah, man. Like once I knew I was about to leave that job, I knew I had to lock in. I had to lock in. It was certain things I had to do before I quit that job, like personal wise. I had to do it. Had to get figured out before I even left and shit. So hey, all I can do is thank God. Hold on, my NBA games froze. Hold on, y'all. Y'all know we don't pay for subscriptions. I ain't gonna lie. Never mind. Let me not say too much. Never mind. Let me just shut the fuck up. Alright. But yeah. Yeah, man. Just basically, that job just took the most out of me, and I had to do certain things before I had to leave. I had to make sure all my points, all my aspects in trading was up to par. Like I had to. Like I told myself, I'm not leaving this job until I feel like I am 100% ready, mentally, physically, and like just trading wise. I'm ready to leave. Like I know. Like I told myself, once I leave this job, bro, I gotta be structured as fuck. I gotta be disciplined as fuck. Like everything has to be on point. I'm not leaving this job until I get to that level. And like, God's timing was just like, hey, I think you ready. So hey, whenever you ready, I was like, hey. I took the risk. A lot of people didn't really agree with it. So, but at the end of the day, bro, it's your life, bro. It's your life, your decisions, your choice. You feel me? So, and if I felt I was ready, anything I do in life, bro, like, I try not to do it for like, I try not to like listen to. I'm trying to say it. Fuck. I'm trying to say it without saying, make it seem kind of like selfish and shit. But at the same time, it's kind of is selfish, bro. Because, like, look, everybody gonna tell you what you should do, take the safer route. But me, bro, I just had enough, gang. Like my dad, bro, he didn't really know how stressed out I was until, like, the end. And he kind of didn't really believe me. He just wanted me to, like, switch different jobs. But it was just, like, he was proud of me because the money I was making, like, at the job and shit. Because compared to Walmart, it's way more than Walmart. Like, I'm getting guaranteed 40 hours a week at Amazon. But at the same time, bro, I was losing my mind at that job, bro. He didn't even know it, gang. And it was just like, look, bro, I understand what you're saying, but I got to do this for me. This is my life. And I remember it was one night, we had a conversation on it was just basically just like, you know, he was trying to tell me, I see what you're doing, but it's a better way you could be doing it. But I straight up told him, look, 90% of traders don't make it. 95% of traders don't make it. And I straight up told him, I'm like, look, I'm gonna make it. Like, no matter how long it takes me, I told him straight man-to-man conversation, I'm going to make it. And, I'm gonna just be honest with you, like, he heard me, but I don't think he really, like, took it serious. And I was like, damn, like, not like I said, I'm not bashing my pops or nothing. This is just how I really felt, like real deep down inside and shit. And it was just like, hey, bro, I just gotta prove people wrong. Like, hey, it is what it is. I gotta prove people wrong. And look at me now, bro. Like I said, it's not the end goal. Come on, bro. Why the fuck you freezing on me, gang? Come on, gang. Like I said, it's not the end goal or nothing yet, but it's just a blessing, bro. Like, when you're able to leave your job and do what you've been wanting to do for years, like even since you was a kid, like just being able to do whatever you want, making the money that you want to make, and just like, it's a blessing, bro. I can't even describe it at times. It's like the feeling hasn't really hit me yet. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like maybe in like a month or two, or maybe a couple months from now, it'll really hit me and be like, yo, you did this shit. So, I did get the payout. I don't really think I want to say like anything about financial wise and shit like that. Just like how much it was for the account I'm trading until like I move up to the next account. Cause I don't really like putting too much information out there. I feel like it's just, I don't know, bro. Like I don't know. I'm just really private when it comes to finances, bro. That's like, and I feel like there's nothing wrong with that. You can't get mad at nobody because they don't want to, say how much they make or how much they made in this specific trade. Some things don't need to be said. So it was a good pay.
It was good, y'all. So look, man, here it is, the certificate, just so y'all. Like I said, I'm just trying to keep most of this on the low right now. So maybe after a couple more payouts from this certain account, then I'll be able to, you know, show y'all and then upgrade to the next account. But I just want to show y'all, you know, just so people won't be like, well, you have no proof. You have no proof. And if you need more proof, just check my IG. And then if you really just need more proof, then you feel me? I'll just send it to you at that fucking point. But yeah, man, this is just motivation for y'all, man. And hey, man, we gotta just keep locking in, keep going. Bigger, proper rewards. Let's go.
Yo, that's all I'm gonna say. I'm not really gonna say too much. Now, when I move on to my next firm account, then if somebody asks me, you know, hey, how much was this or this, then I'll talk about it. But as the moment, I'm still currently doing it, and you know, I'm still working with this account. I'm gonna just keep it quiet. So I'm gonna show y'all like the little email, like a little video right here. So boom. So yeah. So that was that video. I finally got the payout, bro. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I can't even sit up here and say I was excited. You feel me? And a lot of people might be like, damn, like what the fuck? You just got a whole payout. Why the fuck ain't you excited? And the reason is because, like, bro, when you've been working on something for so long and you think in your head, like, all right, I'm gonna be making this amount, like, and you've been thinking this for like a year plus or a year every day for a year, and you've been thinking like that, when it finally happened, you be like, okay, I mean, hey, I knew this shit was gonna happen. And I don't know cocky shit, but you know that the work that you put in, you know that you try to correct every error that you find in your trading plan. You're doing everything like everything you could possibly do to get in that position. When you finally get in that position, it's just like mentally I was already here. I just wasn't physically there. So now I'm physically there, and it's just like, all right, bro. Now we gotta, you feel me? We gotta bump it up a notch, bro. Now we here. This where you wanted to be a year ago. Now you here. Let's keep it rolling, you know. Because I'm saying, like, I know in trading, anything can happen at any time. Like, you could easily just fall off, or anything can happen, bro. So I try to just get through hype with this shit. I try to just be just cool, cordial with it, and I know that I have to do this day in, day out, week after week, month after month, year after year. And then once I, you know, finally like see long-term consistency, then I could be like, okay, I did that shit. So hold on, bro. This shit really going on. So once I've been doing that for a while, bro, then I'll, you know, I guess I'll be like, I guess happy and shit. Not saying I'm not happy, but I just don't want to. I know how I can get overly happy about something, and then, you know, I could possibly just mess up the flow of things. So I'm just keep putting in the work. Not get too happy. Just, hey, bro, you know, hey, man, when you put in the work, you know, you put in the work, you do what a lot of people aren't willing to do, and et cetera, you gonna reap the rewards. Like, sooner or later, you may not know exactly when your time will be, but if you're doing everything you're supposed to, everything you need to be doing, it's gonna eventually come. So, hey, man, I just wanted to get up on here and just say that, just like my thoughts and stuff, like after quitting my job, where my mindset is at right now. And hopefully I can motivate somebody, you know. So I got a lot of people on Instagram that talk to me, hey, bro, I'm down this much on my punted account. You know, you got any tips? And I just sent them one of my older videos. Because, but look, I've been there too. Like I said, before I passed this account challenge, probably like when I first got it, I think I was in like the second stage or some shit like that. And I was like 200 away from like losing it, like max drawdown. And hey, by the grace of God and like me just being consistent, I was able to bring it all the way back, and then, you know, turn it into a funded account where I was able to get a payout. So yeah, man, any struggling traders out there, any traders who just got any questions or just need some word of advice or just something like that, just hit me up on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? I'll chop it up with you, this and that, you know, try to help you out. So, hey, man, hopefully in my next video, I don't know what I'm gonna do for my next video. I might do a live trade or something. We'll see. So, hey, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully I'm able to inspire, motivate somebody, or, you know, etc, etc. You feel me? So, hey, man, it's Metro, and I hope y'all have a good rest of y'all trading week, good rest of y'all day, good rest of y'all night. And, I'm finna just chill, bro. So, hey, man, make sure I do the same thing. Just stay consistent, stay focused, stay locked in, and just, hey, bro, don't never lose faith, bro. So.